Hey guys, welcome back to Craftstar. So today what we're doing is we're making a Rilakkuma loaf. You might wonder what that is. It's also considered a bear bread. Well, mainly the proper name for it's a Rilakkuma loaf from the Rilakkuma Remint brand. Yeah, I know that from my frog and stuff, so I thought that they look really cute, the loaves. So the loaves are actually huge, well, not huge, but big. They're like bigger than you can hold it, like really big. So I don't really have that size of a sponge to use, so I'm going to use my old sponge like I did for panda buns. It's because we don't want to spend so much money. And like it's probably really hard to find memory foam, and maybe even harder to ship that loaf from here, like from there to here. So that's why we're gonna make our own. And this time we're not gonna fail and use garbage bag like the last video. As I said in the last video as well, we're gonna start like high so we can trim it down. I'm just looking over there because I put a picture of the loaf. Just don't mind, please. Last time I ended up putting all my, what did I do? All my scraps together. So I'm going to save that for either my brother's squishies or like another time for the third squishy I'm going to make in this series. I don't know about my brother, but we each get to make 3 squishies throughout the series. Maybe more, but at least 3. Because I have 3 sponges, he has 3 sponges. First come, first serve on the color sponges. So the color sponges, I chose this one because it's easier. So he's actually playing games right now, so he doesn't get that option. Boo-hoo for him. So you have to cut it. I want my Rilakkuma. I want it to end up here, or with a nice shape. So I'm going to stab it here, so I can remember that mark. And remember the staticness. Static. Now, I'm kind of doing this for the looks, not for the actual squishiness. Because I need actual memory foam to make it really squishy. So I'm just going to do it with a sponge. The other one actually was really slow rising. I think because of the garbage bag on the outside. I don't really call it a garbage bag. The bag on the outside, make it a really slow rising, super slow rise. Okay, so I'm actually just the ear has to be defined. But we're just trimming down right now, so I don't. Now that I realize, I'm gonna just sketch out again where I actually want it to be look. So I'm just looking at the picture. This time I'm going to actually mix the colors of my puffy paints to do the painting. So I'm going to cut down to where I actually reached up to here. Okay, so we somewhat have a Rilakkuma shape. This plus, because it's really static, like I said in the last video. Now I want to get this dent here, so I'm just gonna trim. Like in the last video, I'm gonna have to paint in the other room, which is sad. This one has great lighting, that's why I use it a lot. This is my brother's room. Okay, I'm gonna just define the sides. So you can actually see the shape better. Got it. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this shape. The sides are okay. You don't have to make it perfect because like bread is lumpy compared to the other one that's a bun. It's so we're gonna start painting. I'm gonna do the cleanup later. Okay. Here's our sponge. Pretty good. I want to just, where's my scissors? There's scissors here. Okay, so I want to just define here. Good. Good, good, good. Oh, actually, this will be good. Pull, pull. There's a Rilakkuma there. I'm going to actually put it up on this computer as well. Just so you can define it. Okay, first, what should we do? We're going to actually give this a layer. Should we give it a layer of this? The only problem with this is very limited. And this is all my puffy paint. And I want this to last. So what am I gonna do? It's a pearl puffy paint. No, that's enough. For now, we're just gonna give it a nice coat so it's not, you can stop seeing all those holes. Just gonna get my brush. So remember guys that this is my 2 planned squishies. The last one I don't have planned. So in the comments below, you can comment down what squishy I should make next. Keep in mind I'm new with this. This is so much better than what happened. The only problem with right now what's going on is this is that you can't, it's not enough and I'm gonna waste it. But not waste it, but like use all of it. This is pearl paint, pearl puffy paint. So it's supposed to go pearly. Like, so Mariah, she has a huge bottle of puffy paint. I don't. I have 18 milliliters. Not good. And I really want to save these for the Easter eggs. Sorry, this is bothering me. Better. You can just give it a nice smoother look. Oh, there's a pointy. Okay, should I start the next side? Actually, now that I think of this, I want the back. This color is actually like bread. This is gonna be the back. This is gonna be the... No. That's a good one. Or yeah. I think it's a bit too yellow though. Now when I look at it, so I'm just sponging some away and rubbing it on the other side. On second thought, leave it as it is. The next thing we're going to do is the crust. With this orange, which I would like a brown. Oh no, it looks red. Okay, we're going to mix this with some yellow as well. Oh, where's my lids? Remember to put on your lids, but not like what I did with the black last time. Last time what? Actually, I won't spoil it for you. Go check it out. Too red. Too red. I thought this video was going to be a lot better, but it's not. I'm just putting it on the side some, so that it gives a nice toasty look. Oh, this squishy was a lot easier than the panda bread. No, panda bun. Too red. I want to see if I have a brown color. If I do, I'm going to just put it right on, even if it's acrylic, because I have a nice coat on. Acrylic, what it does, it makes it hard. Okay, I have a brown, that's good. I'm going to make my own pink, like I did last time. Okay, their lid thing is. I need to find my glue. Where did it go? Okay, just found it. Now that I'm thinking of it, I'm wondering what color I want to make my eyes. Also, if I'm going to do a peanut, if I'm actually going to stick with the idea of doing, I'm going to, because one ear usually on these breads have like some type of sauce, like peanut butter, not peanut butter because my brother's allergic. Maybe I might do jelly because I have purple and I like purple. I'm really trying not to waste my yellow because if I waste one of these, I basically have another one kind of. It's just a little bit different tone. But if I waste yellow, I have another yellow. Right now, I'm just trying to make my brown a bit lighter, so I put some yellow in it. Honestly, now I'm just gonna go straight into putting it on. That's good. I think this is good. It's not like the regular. This looks like French toast. Or maybe I should do here. I'm still thinking of my decision of whether I should do this side as the face. I really don't like the color, honestly. Really, when I mixed it with. I like how it's lumpy because that's texture of an actual brown. Sorry for the silence. Just painting. I actually think this is pretty good. I want white here. I like a light. Okay, I don't want to waste the purple either since it's my favorite color. I might do the egg video ahead of time so we don't waste everything. Okay, the face. So that's a ear. I'll use orange for the face. Wait, that's gonna look like red. It's gonna look like red, so it's purple? Purple. What I like about this is it has very intricate details you can do with this. Yo, it's a bit too big. This is kind of a fail, but I don't care. I think I like this. To me, it looks cute. However, the colors, in both of them, the colors and the eyes do not look good. Wait, so for the eyes, so I can perfect it, I'm just gonna use the back of this paintbrush. This go boop, boop, boop. Well, no, that just made it bigger. That's my bear bread. Terrible. But in my standard, it's good. Terrible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, share this video, subscribe, and hit the post notification so you can see the rest of our squishy videos. Bye.